Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to another Z Family video. So for this video we're going to be doing a origami session, and we're going to be making this like infinite rotational thingy. It's hard to explain, so I'll just get into making it. So basically the first step is you just sort of fold from side to side. You want to have these as accurate as possible. And I'm using construction paper here, but you can also use printer paper if you guys have any of that. That works completely fine as well. Okay, so now we have these folds. This fold right in the center. Oops. And with this fold, we're going to be taking the sides, and we're going to take these corners, and we're going to fold them in towards the middle fold. All right, so those are my two folds. Make sure these are as accurate as possible, or else there's a chance that it might go wrong. Okay, so now we're going to be having our next fold. So our next fold is just going to be folding this little edge here. Now we're going to be getting rid of this, so like I said, make sure it's as accurate as possible. Button that, and I'm just going to use scissors. If you can tear it off, go ahead, but I'm going to use scissors because I am not confident in my ripping abilities. If you're younger, make sure to keep an adult around you. You don't want to be getting cuts and stuff. Okay, so now that we have these folds, we can take this middle fold and we can make a fold onto that from the bottom and top. And also comment down below if you guys think that we should do more of these types of videos where we do origamis. So then after that, after you've folded both of these sides, you want to just take this little crease right here. It's in the middle over here. And then you want to just fold onto it. Okay, so now that we have this, we're going to be folding the two sides in onto this crease here. And there we go. And then what you want to do after that step is you want to fold onto this end, and you want to make another line. You want to make basically lines between this one, here, here, and then on the last one here. There we go. And now we have this thingy majiggy here. For the next part, we're going to be needing a ruler and a pencil. Alright, so now what you're going to do with your pencil and your ruler is you're going to basically draw these lines that go across here. They're sort of like sideways, and we're going to see later on why that's important. And so right now we're just going to be focusing on this. So the first thing you want to do is if you want to have it so that it's actually fair and good, and you want to make sure that it's good, then just make sure that it's on the second crease here is what I've found out from doing it. So you would do the second crease there, and then you would just sketch it out. So I'll get back to you guys when I'm done. Okay, so now I've done all of the tracing and stuff. Next, what we're going to be doing is folding on these lines here. Okay, so after you do that, you will have something along the lines of this. And basically what you want to do with this is that you want to fold it into three different sides, and then you want to slide one into the other Then you want to check the insides, see if the flaps are in the right way and it's correctly put in place. And then you're going to have a triangle type shape here. And so then what you would do after that is just take the little areas that you made and you pop them in like so. Now for me it's a little bit stiff. I'm going to be trying to figure out what went wrong. Okay, so now what you want to do is you want to take these corners and you just sort of want to, you don't need to worry about the folds getting a little bit messed up, but they shouldn't be too much out of order. And you basically what you want to do is you want to sharpen these edges and you want to repeat this process with all 3 sides. Okay, so now what you want to do is you want to take these flaps here and you want to fold these in. And you want to fold these for every single one. You're just gonna fold there and there. And then same for the final one. And there you have it. This will be the rotating cube thingy-majiggy. I don't know what its name is. Okay, so now if you try to open it, it'll just sort of open up this way, and you keep going, and it's infinite. So yeah, it's a pretty fun toy, fidget toy type thing. Comment down below if you guys like this, and consider subscribing to our channel or leaving a like if you guys are new. Other than that, we'll see you guys in our next video.